When it comes to choosing new windows, homeowners in Loves Park want more than just good looks. They want durability, energy efficiency, and most importantly, low maintenance. Between busy schedules, seasonal weather changes, and everyday wear and tear, the last thing most homeowners want is a window that requires constant upkeep. That's why sliding windows, often called sliders, have become a popular low-maintenance solution throughout Loves Park. Simple, functional, and easy to care for, slider windows offer long-term performance without added hassle. Simple design, fewer moving parts. One of the biggest reasons slider windows are so low maintenance is their straightforward design. Unlike double-hung windows that move up and down with springs and pulleys, sliders operate horizontally along a track. With fewer mechanical components, there's less that can break or wear out over time. This simplicity means fewer repairs and fewer service calls, something every homeowner can appreciate. For Loves Park residents who want reliable performance without complicated mechanisms, slider windows deliver dependable functionality. Easy operation for everyday use. Slider windows glide open smoothly with minimal effort. Because they move side to side rather than lifting upward, they're often easier to operate, especially for larger window openings. This makes them a practical choice for living rooms, bedrooms, and basements. Homeowners of all ages appreciate the ease of use, particularly in spaces where frequent ventilation is needed. With proper installation and occasional track cleaning, slider windows continue to operate smoothly for years. Minimal cleaning requirements. Cleaning windows can feel like a chore, but slider windows make it easier. Many modern slider designs allow one or both sashes to be removed or tilted inward for simple interior cleaning. Additionally, vinyl slider frames, a popular option in Loves Park, resist fading, peeling, and corrosion. Unlike wood frames, they don't require sanding, staining, or repainting. A quick wipe down with mild soap and water is typically all that's needed to keep them looking fresh. Durable materials for changing seasons. Loves Park experiences a range of seasonal weather, from cold winters to warm summers. Slider windows are available in durable materials like vinyl and fiberglass, which resist warping, cracking, and moisture damage. Because vinyl does not absorb moisture, it performs well during rainy or humid periods. It also maintains its shape during temperature fluctuations, reducing the risk of drafts or seal failure. This resilience contributes to long-term performance with minimal upkeep. Energy efficiency. With less effort. Low maintenance doesn't mean sacrificing efficiency. Modern slider windows are built with energy-efficient features such as double-pane glass, insulating gas fills, and low-E coatings. When properly installed, sliders create a tight seal that helps reduce air leaks. This supports consistent indoor temperatures and may lower heating and cooling costs. For Loves Park homeowners, that means comfort and savings, without extra maintenance tasks. Clean, contemporary appearance. Slider windows offer a sleek, modern look that complements a wide range of home styles. Their wide glass panels maximize natural light and provide unobstructed outdoor views. Because they don't have multiple grids or complicated frames, they create a clean exterior appearance that enhances curb appeal. Homeowners looking for a balance between function and style often find sliders to be the perfect fit. A smart choice for busy homeowners in today's fast-paced world. Convenience matters. Slider windows offer a practical solution for Loves Park residents who want dependable performance without constant upkeep. Their simple design, easy cleaning, durable materials, and energy-efficient features make them an ideal low-maintenance option. If you're considering replacing your windows and want something that fits your lifestyle, slider windows provide long-lasting comfort, functionality, and style, all with minimal effort required.